everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today about anatomical planes. We will start our topic with introduction. Anatomical planes are imaginary flat surfaces that divide the body to describe location, movements and direction with precision in medical, anatomical and physiological context. Now let's talk about the importance of anatomical plane. Anatomical planes are used to provide standardized reference for body orientation and movements. They are helpful in medical imaging, physical assessment, and surgical procedures. Now let's talk about the main anatomical planes. Main anatomical planes are sagittal plane, coronal plane, and transverse plane. As you can see in this diagram, there are three planes crossing the body: the sagittal plane, coronal plane, and transverse plane. First, we will talk about sagittal plane. Sagittal plane can be defined as a vertical plane that divides the body into left and right parts is called a sagittal plane. Sagittal plane is further classified into two types. The first is median plane or mid-sagittal plane that divides the body into equal left and right halves. And the other type of sagittal plane is parasagittal plane that divides the body into unequal left and right halves. Its examples include movement in forward and backward direction. Now let's talk about the coronal plane. Coronal plane can be defined as a vertical plane that divides the body into anterior and posterior part or into front or back part. So this thing is important that sagittal plane and coronal plane are both are vertical plane while the next plane will be the horizontal plane. Its examples include movements that are from side to side motions like jumping jacks and lateral raises. Next plane is transverse plane and it can define as a horizontal plane that divides the body into superior and inferior parts. Or a horizontal plane that divides the body into upper and lower part is called as transverse plane. Its examples include rotation movements such as twisting the torso or performing a spinal twist. Now let's talk about the applications of anatomical planes. First application is in medical imaging as it is used in the CT scan, MRI and X-rays to analyze body structures from different perspectives. The other implication of it is kinesiology and sports science as it helps in understanding body movements and developing exercise regimens. Other application of it is in surgical procedure as it guides surgeons in precise incision and organ evaluation. Now let's talk about the end point and we will complete our lecture of anatomical planes. Understanding anatomical plane is crucial for professionals in medicine, sports, and physiotherapy, as they provide a systemic approach to studying the human body. Mastery of these planes aids in diagnosis, treatment, and effective communication among healthcare providers. So this was about the anatomical plane. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.